नमस्ते, InfoBuzz चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। In this video, we will see the use of sum, SUMIF and SUMIF's functions. First, let's talk about sum function. Sum function helps you to sum all the numerical values in selected range of cells. In the given table, you can see products, names, regions and sales. Now we have to calculate total sales. So for this, we will use sum function. Just go to the cell where you want to see total of cells. We will type function here is equals to sum. We will now select the cells of which we have to see total. So we will select this column, close, enter. Now you can see total of sales. Next is SUMIF function. SUMIF helps you to sum values based on the criteria which you have specified. So let's understand through the given data. Now you want to calculate total sales from North region. So here sales from North region is our criteria. That if we only want to know the sales from North region. So this is our criteria which we want to meet. So let's enter the formula. We'll go to the cell where we want to see the result. SUMIF. Now you can see three arguments. First is range. It means we have to select the range which includes our criteria. So our criteria is North region. So we will select region column. Next argument is criteria. So we will type our criteria here. Our criteria is North. So we will type North here in double quotes. Next is sum range. We will select the range of cells which are to be added. So for this we will select the sales column. Enter. This result is showing total sales from North region. So this is how you can do total based on your condition. Now the SUMIF function helps you to sum values based on only one criteria. But what if you have more than one criteria? So for this you will use SUMIF's function. We use SUMIF's function when we have more than one criteria to meet. So let's understand through given data. Now you want to calculate total sales of keyboards from South region. Now you can see there are two conditions to be met. One is keyboards and the other is South region. So let's enter formula is equals to SUMIFs. You can see set of arguments. First argument is sum range. The range of cells which are to be added, which is sales column. So we will select the column. Next is criteria range 1, which means the range of cells including your first criteria. And the first criteria is keyboard. So where is keyboard? Keyboard is in the products column. So we will select this column. Next argument is criteria 1. So our criteria is keyboard. We will type keyboard. The next criteria range 2. So the range of cells including our second criteria. So our other criteria is South region, which is in region column. So we will select this column. Next is criteria 2. So here we will type South in double quotes, enter. Now you can see total sales of keyboards from South region. So this is how you can sum values with more than one criteria. Thank you.